How to check CPU clock speed in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your CPU clock speed on Windows. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, right click on your taskbar and from the pop-up menu, simply select Task Manager. And here, once the Task Manager opens, look at the left hand side and there you can see the performance option. So simply click on that, and after that you can go ahead and select CPU from the list on the left side. And here you'll see two important numbers: the current speed of your CPU, which for me is showing around 3.75 to 85 gigahertz, and the base speed, which is around 3.80 gigahertz. And here, if you're using an Intel processor that supports Turbo Boost, your CPU can automatically ramp up its speed above the base level when needed for more performance. And that's it. That's how you can quickly check your CPU clock speed. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.